Right, good day everyone, depending when you are watching my video. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where you come and learn forex trading, and what I do mainly is top-down analysis. Okay, my name is Mr. Romantic Romanus, so I'm here to give you guys breakdown on USD Swiss franc or USDchf, because I took some trade today and actually went well. So let me just come and give you guys breakdown on how I took the trade or what I saw before taking the trade. Men looking at the chart here, you know that USDchf is actually bearish. The market have been making a series of higher low, higher high, higher low. This is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, mean lower low, lower high. Let me take it again. It's kind of confusing. The market was making series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now it came and make a lower high. On a norms, it should come and make a lower low, right? Okay, that's for the trend. Now when I come to the monthly time frame, what I'm to do is look for the trend of the market, and secondly I will come and look for candlestick pattern. Now, like I told you, on the norms, based on the structure, the market should come and take off this low, right? It should come and take off this low. That is how the structure is. This is how it has patterned. Now, checking for the immediate trend, this market, this is the center of the focus now. The market came to this point and started ranging. To give how many touches? It gave so many touches here. So this is what we call a ranging market. When the market does not have a particular place to go, it just ranging. The market gave a first touch here. Here, second touch was here. Sorry, I need to draw this in so that you all can understand where I'm heading to. This is second touch. This is the third touch, and this is the fourth one. So I'm taking my time to draw this in so that it will be very clear to you guys. And sorry, it's a kind of rough, but I want be a bit fast so that the video will not take much time. So those things that I've drawn now is to show you how many times that the market have consolidated this very point. And when did this thing start? Since 2023. You can imagine how many years ago the market has been consolidating for the past 2 years, more than 2 years now. So then, not that I was not taking trade when the market was consolidated. Obviously I was taking trade. I could remember I took some buy to this upside, and now my interest is that after this consolidation has been made, the market came and broke the neck, or the broke out from this range with this bearish engulfing candle and closed below it with the full candle, not even the wick, with the full candle. This is to tell you that the BS are active in the market. It is time to bleed. So when I saw this, remember monthly time frame, I checked the trend of the market and the candlestick pattern. You're obviously seeing a healthy, this is what we call a healthy bearish candle. So when I saw this, I quickly um, rushed down to the weekly time frame to see what is happening. Obviously, I don't trade from the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame. Rather, I will just come here and check the trend of the market and what the market is doing and some potential pullbacks. Now, the market broke out from the range and it came to the weekly and it gave this pullback. So when the market came to the neckline of this range, it gave a sharp rejection. And when the market gave this rejection, I said, fine, something fishy is going on. Then I went to the daily time frame to see the immediate trend for entries. So now, honestly speaking, when let me just remove all these things so that it will be very clear to us. To be very clear to us. When I saw this, the market, market makes series of high because it's actually going to touch the neckline. So it was making series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, on the norms, the market should come and um, market should come and bounce from this place. The market should come. It was making higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. On a norm should come and retest this very point and continue to go higher. But the market did not do that. Rather, the market broke from broke this very the market very broke this very low, broke it instead of to come and respect this place. The market broke it. Now when I saw this, I know there is problem because anytime the market stop respecting structure, I know there will be a problem. And when the market did that, it formed something like head and shoulder. You get the point? It forms something like head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head. Sorry guys. Okay, it's actually looking nice. I thought it would be kind of messy. So this is the right shoulder. Now when the market formed this, I know that okay, this is a bearish chart pattern. The head and shoulder is a bearish chart pattern. So when I saw this, I know that we are going down. But before then, I saw this break of counter trend line. Honestly speaking, this selling from this point of the market could have been a very good one to say after the break, after this daily candle close, could have sold from, but I do not feel comfortable doing that, so I just left it and I was busy trading other pair. I need to trade something that will give me peace of mind. That when I enter the trade, I will just close my chart and do other stuffs. So when I just left it. So after forming this head and shoulder pattern, this is the neckline. Obviously this is the neckline. So what interested me the most to sell this market is this bearish engulfing candle that broke this head and shoulder pattern, like it's happened in this in the monthly time frame. The market was ranging, then broke the range with the healthy bearish engulfing candle. So this is actually what happened to this place. This is same occurrence. So when the thing occurred, I was like, okay, I started having interest in the market to sell the market. But I said, since it has happened, let me wait for a pullback to sell. But something happened after this bearish engulfing candle has closed below the neckline. The market gave me this bullish engulfing candle. So I became skeptical about the market. I said, wait, I will not trade yet until the market gives me a sign that actually is the market wants to go down, because the market can actually from here and go to the upside, but because of this bullish engulfing candle. So I waited, I have some patience. I need to wait the market to tell me where it's going. So after the market was consolidating, dancing around, dancing around, dancing around, now the market came here yesterday and closed with this bearish engulfing candle. When it happened, I said, yes, we are about to eat money. So when it happened, I drew my counter trend line. Obviously, I should be selling from there. After this engulfing candle, I could have just, entered the trade. My stop loss should be above this place, obviously, and my first target would be here. But I said, let me just be more skeptical about this. Let me just be more careful, not skeptical. Let me just add more. Let me be patient and wait for more confluences to make the market so that I will be free. I will trade the market freely. So I drew my counter trend line. Then after this break of this counter trend line with this engulfing candle, I said, oh, make we make money. Oh. So after the market broke that counter trend line, I just go and I short the trade there. I short the trade here. My stop loss was actually here. Then my first take profit was here. Yeah, First take profit was here. I know some people will say, your risk to reward is this, blah 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 blah. More, you need to see the bigger picture. See, after this market takes all this place, this is the next target. So let's calculate the risk to reward. So it's actually madness. Remember, the market move from zone to zone. It's actually coming to this place. So, but I'll be locking my face and take profit from this place. My first take profit, I'm going to be locking it once the market will soon close here. So after I took the trade, bam, it's hit to this candle. Okay, the market just came, and just this is another day actually. I'm recording this video around 12 p.m. Everywhere is calm in my environment, so I decided to record it by now, by this time. So yesterday the market just came. You can imagine how the kind of healthy and bearish candle that the market formed. So obviously today, before today end, the market will come and touch this place. And when the market takes up this particular place, nothing is holding it down. Shortage of blood, the market will bleed. Someone say the market is gonna bleed. The market go bleed to this point. Once this market takes up this 0.80878, the market is going to bleed to 78955. Mona go buy blood tonic for Usdchf because this guy is having shortage of blood. In fact, Usdchf na woman with the issue of blood for Bible. This guy is actually bleeding. So guys, this is what I saw before I took this very trade, and I'm still holding it very tight to this. I'll still be holding it to this point because this is the overall target. So thank you guys for following me to this point of my video. I hope that this video actually helped you guys, and I know that if you come daily or if you just pay attention or listen to it over and over again, you grab so many things because it's actually a good one. Thank you for staying. Please don't forget to smash the subscription button, like it and comment. You can also share it to your friends that's craving to learn forex or they are longing to learn forex. Please do that. Thank you so much. My name remains Mr. Romantic Romanus. Peace and love.